Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. A few great things to talk about in Jetbuilt today. Let's start with ISE 2018 in Amsterdam. That is taking place February 6, 7, 8, 9 or 5, 6, 7, 8, something like that. It's pretty easy to Google. It's a great show. It's probably my favorite show because it's a combination of what would be the Infocom and the CDS show. So it's got commercial and residential vendors there and integrators, dealers. So it's a humongous show. They've got us in a tent this year. They keep adding new portable structures because the show is outgrowing the space that it's in. So if you're going to be in town, of course, please come by and say hi. Looking forward to meeting so many new folks and some old folks there as well. What we're going to be showing at ISE is extremely exciting. We are going to be showing for the first time our multi-currency functionality. So you'll be able to now set for your company, each location of your company can buy in various currencies. And when you establish that, that means as you search for products in your project, you'll be able to see products from the various currencies and those various product lines as they of course differ slightly. We'll perform the real-time currency conversion and then propose it in another currency. So very flexible estimating, quoting across multiple currencies, and that's been a big request. Obviously, look forward to that here in the next few weeks, and then it'll be showing at ISE, of course. Next topic, we just added an interesting element to the overview page in your project. So the margin section, where it used to only show profit margin for the project, by equipment and then each labor category, you can now push a button to flip that to show costs. So now you can get a really quick, easy grasp of your entire cost of equipment and of the various labor types. So that's a really handy feature, really simple and easy to use. So enjoy that. Another thing we just rolled out yesterday, that new code I was talking about last week, the new code which dramatically reduces the time it takes to render reports. And this is an issue we know with very large reports, as well as some smaller reports that contain a lot of spec sheets or certain types of data that may slow down that process. Keep in mind when we're rendering a report, we're not just spinning up an HTML view of that, which could be done almost instantly. We are literally making a PDF page of every single one of the pages of that report. And then once that's done, we combine all those pages into a multi-page document. So a lot of work is being done when we render those reports. Furthermore, if you haven't noticed, when you're looking at that report within your project, you're looking at a PDF. So you're not looking at, this is what your PDF is going to look like, we promise. You're looking at the PDF. So you can be assured that what you're going to send your client is exactly what you're looking at, because it is the exact document. We're looking at that PDF within a PDF viewer in the web. Finally, we are also still working on the automation of selling support packages, support maintenance packages for your projects, where you can automate that through percentages of some of the material and labor and various criteria of your project. So we're working on building that. It should roll out here in the next few weeks, and that's also very exciting. Clearly, selling support as a service and as a monthly or annual package to your client, it's good for the integrator, good for the client, and we really want to empower that and automate that within Jetbuilt. So look for that in the coming weeks as well. So I think that's it for today. For those of you new in Jetbuilt, welcome. This has been a big season for Jetbuilt. A lot of new faces. We really welcome you, and we appreciate you researching and or committing to Jetbuilt the way you have in recent months. For the old faces, it's great to talk to you again. Looking forward to seeing you this year, ISE, Infocom, CEDIA, or in your office or ours. We love saying hi and continue growing off of the comments you give back. So we appreciate that, as well as the referrals. It's not a day, well, maybe it's a day, but it's not 2 days that go by where a new user doesn't say, yeah, so-and-so told us about you guys and such told us about you guys. We appreciate all the words you say to both the peers and the manufacturers. That it goes a long way to making the platform better, not for us, but for you guys. So thank you again. All right, until next time, this is Paul Dexter signing off.